Happy Day! We are Saina Vince Reyes' CM210 class at the University of Guam.
Welcome to another episode of Inetnon Gefpå'go's A Minagof Minute.
For this episode, we thought it would be cool to ask Saina Vince Reyes a few questions.
We know what he does, but do we really know him?
Let's ask him some questions.
See my hair first. Okay.
Here you go.
Happy Day, Senor. Buenas, buenas.
Hey.
I hope this message finds you well.
Hi, Joyce.
My question for you is one that I've actually wanted to ask for a long time. So we've had the privilege of traveling together, or I had the privilege of traveling with Inetnon Gefpå'go, and I always wondered what inspired you to take Inetnon Gefpå'go worldwide? What made you go, I think we should share this with the world? And follow-up questions, what has been your favorite country to visit, and what country are you excited to see next?
Hope you're doing well. And I'm so proud of you, by the way, and all that you're doing. And kind of jealous because you get to really be in that space of artistry all the time. My biggest motive, or my biggest motivation to send people around the world or to travel with our people around the world is because when we get to experience the world, we make worldly decisions when we come back to home. Some of the most memorable places, of course, I love Istanbul, Korea. Furthest is Brazil and Oman. Some places I'd love to visit, hopefully soon, is maybe places like Peru or explore more of South America. This is my thing. Okay, so let's see who is next. I don't know. Oh, here we go. Chris Malafunksion. Oh no.
Hi Vince, Denti. Serious question here. Have you ever gotten kakano when doing any of those complicated cultural dance moves that you do?
Okay. I don't dance, but I'm sure all the dancers that are wearing the sari do get cacked out. So leave it up to you, right, to give that kind of question, but no. Maybe sometimes. All right, here we go. Norman. Hey, happy day, Norman.
Buenas and half a day. Hey Vince, I got a question for you. Why are you so handsome? Okay, I got a second question for you. Vince, if you had to eat one dish every day for a whole year, what would that dish be and why?
Okay, why am I so handsome? Because I get to rock an Analista and Company shirt. And mostly because of my parents. They just have good genes. Second question, what would I eat? I've been on this ketogenic diet for 2 years, so man, anything carbs, anything sugar. And McDonald's. Haven't had that in a long time. Okay. Senator Shelton, Hafadi.
Happy Vince, I want to know what's your favorite Chamorro legend and why? Seduce Mossy?
Love that question. I think my favorite legend is with the beautiful Santa Maria Camelin right behind you on your in your office. Santa Maria Camelin is from the village. Was found in Maleso, so it's very dear to my heart. Actually, any legends with our nanas make me feel very happy and magical. So, like Serena, right? Serena is listen to your mother, otherwise she'll turn you into a fish. Last but not least, Frank the Crank. Half a day, Frank.
Yo, buenas half a day, Vince. Frank the Crank Camacho here.
Half a day.
My question to you is, what is your favorite local Chamorro legend and why? And my other question, this is not a trick question, I've always wondered because born on Guam, raised in Saipan, it's just so confusing growing up. Is it Latiza or Lantizas? I still don't know. Let me know. Have a great day. See you smasi. Adios.
Viva Latiza. 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 I know it as Latiza. The favorite Chamorro legend is anything that has to do with our moms, because they're just our moms, our nanas. Viva! Zeus Masi for watching this episode of Minagof Minute. I'd like to thank Frank the Crank, Chris Malafunksion, Joyce Torres, Senator Shelton, and Norman Analista for being a part of this month's episode. Hope you enjoy. Like, comment, and share. Adios.